Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today we're going to be doing a popular demand, the wedge salad that you saw in the community tab, you guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're not new, welcome on back. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe because it came out excellent. You know what I'm saying? So I'll see you guys in the ingredients. So here's the ingredients to this wedge salad. I know it's been a popular demand. Y'all want to actually see me do it, so make sure you get a wedge salad. Which is a wedge salad is iceberg lettuce. So just get some iceberg lettuce, fresh, with the core on it and everything like that. These are the toppings that we're gonna do. We're gonna have cherry tomatoes, chopped bacon, cilantro, and some black pepper, and we made Ceasar Vinegarette. So all right, so let's get into chopping up this to make the wedge salad. So what I do is I start from the bottom where the core is at, so you can get an exact, even squares or even wedges like that, and turn it to the side and put this one over, and cut it down the middle again, and that's how you make your wedge. So I'm gonna cut the other ones up, and you can cut it up several different ways. This is like feeds about 4, but if you want to do more, make it smaller, then you can cut it in half, or you can split it down the middle and make more wedges. It's up to you. But yeah, and let's get over to assembling it. All right, so what you want to do is cut the wedge corners off, the little stem, and then now you want to actually wash them. So I'm gonna put them in the water, rinse them off. Definitely want to do that. I know they probably already was rinsed off, for the store, but it's always good to, rinse it off, just because of pesticides, stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that right now. And just shake it off, make sure you wash it pretty good. And do each one of them the same exact way. And once I finish washing these up, we're gonna get it assembled and everything. All right, so let's get ready to dress up these wedge salads. So what I'm gonna do is get some olive oil. Get some, this is actually avocado oil, my bad. Avocado oil is really healthy, I know we eat a lot of unhealthy food over the holidays. This is one way to do it. So just add a little of that on there. You wanna season it up a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is add a little black pepper right now, on your wedge salad. So add a little bit of the black pepper on there. Don't add just a lot, like I just did. Just add it, spread it out. Next you want to do is add in your vinaigrette. So add a little bit of your vinaigrette first, onto the wedge salad and stuff like that. So just add it all over. This is actually, a Ceasar Vinegarette that you can make up. What we could do is this vinaigrette will be in the description below. I know I didn't make it up in the video, but it's really simple and easy to make. This Ceasar Vinegarette, you guys. Alrighty, make sure you get it on and get it across all your wedges, really nice. I didn't want to make a lot of the vinaigrette, because the toppings that we're putting on there are going to stretch. So next you want to add some cherry tomatoes. Dice your cherry tomatoes up, really nicely. They're not sticking on as much as you can, but everybody can scoop them out when they can. Dice them up, make them colorful, stuff like that. This is like, this is for presentation, so, everybody can scoop them up when they get ready to serve themselves up some salad. Next you want to do is actually add the bacon in. Can't have a wedge salad without some bacon, so we're gonna add in our bacon on top to finish it off. All right, you guys, no bacon left behind. And last but not least, we're gonna add a little bit more ingredients, a little more greenery on top of. This is really great. I really do like cilantro on my salad, so this is a great piece. It actually makes it pop. Instead of, some people use a lot of parsley, stuff like that, but this is one way to get that flavor to stand out. Is using. I had a salad before a friend of mine was making when she brought it over, and it came out amazing, you guys. And I was actually shocked about that. Make sure you wash your hands, stuff like that. And you know, last but not least, now you can add, you can add a little bit more salad on top of it, salad dressing on top of it. You know what I'm saying, to kind of top it all off. You know, I did make enough for it. You know, just enough, but you can just sprinkle a little bit more on top if you like. You know what I'm saying, because sometimes your guests, you know what I'm saying, they, you know, like me, I like a lot of salad dressing, but not drowning it. I'm just gonna be honest, don't drown your wedge salad. Don't do that. And then what you want to do is I love this Himalaya salt, you guys. So sprinkle a little bit of Himalaya salt on your salad. So just a little pinch of it, you know, on each one. Don't, you know, put a lot on it, you know, just to give it a little flavor, you know. And that's it, you guys. That's all to it. So, you know, I hope you guys enjoy. This is really simple and easy, you know, recipe to make. You know, it's a crowd pleaser because one, it's a great presentation, it's nice setup and stuff like that. And this is one way to use iceberg lettuce, you know what I'm saying, to make it pop for, you know, your invited guests. So I'm your Chef KC. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you tried this wedge salad. And for the one that asked about me making this wedge salad for, you know, let me know if you like this. Very simple and easy. And leave a comment below if you tried it out. And do me a favor, go on my Facebook page, the Urban Culture Kitchen, Food Feeds the Soul, and leave a picture if you made this recipe, you guys, because I really would like to see, you know, you make it, or, you know, say you might be featured actually on my community page. So go ahead and do that. But I will see you guys in the next one. I definitely gotta get my grub on.